Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Mazda CX-5 air filter, full guide. Open the hood, locate the rectangular air box on the passenger side, remove the clips or screws, and lift the cover carefully to expose the old filter. Inspect the housing for debris, clean with a cloth, and check the new filter orientation. Replace the filter, reattach the cover, and secure all clips or screws before closing the hood. With the cover open, remove the old filter by pulling it straight out, noting how it seats in the housing. Use a vacuum or soft brush to clear loose debris from the box and seal area, avoiding deep scrubbing. If you see excessive oil or damage, consider checking intake and seals. Always compare the new filter to the old one to confirm correct size and orientation before installing the replacement. If you're finding this useful, please like and subscribe to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep you comfortable during projects and make solo garage days better. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them after this break. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Seat the new filter carefully, aligning it with the housing grooves and ensuring the rubber seal compresses evenly to prevent unfiltered airflow. Reposition the cover, engage each clip or screw in a sequence that keeps the lid flat, and tighten snugly without over-torquing. Start the engine and listen for unusual intake sounds, then recheck the seal after a short drive. Note the install date and mileage for future maintenance tracking and filter replacement intervals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.